Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Discord if it's not opening on PC. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and find Discord right here on your taskbar. Right click on it, click on Quit Discord. And then once done, find it on your search bar. Type it down and just click on it. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and go to your taskbar right here. Right click on a blank space, then click on Task Manager. And then here, find Discord. Okay, go ahead over to Details, and you'll find Discord right here. Close all Discord related services. Okay? After once that's done, close this one. Do not open Discord yet. Find your search bar and type down %local app data %. Okay, again, %local app data %. Click on it, and then find Discord. Click and delete it, or right click, delete. Okay, I'm not going to do it because I don't have the problem anymore. Just basically delete it. After once that's done, go ahead and find your start menu, right click on it and click on installed apps. Click and find Discord. Click on the three dots and install it. Once done, close this one, open up your favorite browser. And then in here, just find Discord. Do not download it from the Microsoft Store. Okay, I would highly suggest you to download it from your web browser. Now click on that Discord right here, download Discord. Click on download for Windows or download for Mac or whatever. Okay, just download it, install it, and once that's done, everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. That's how simple it is to fix Discord if it's not opening on PC. I hope your video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.